It's spring break time for a lot of area schools. Some Baltimore attractions are offering great deals for you and the kids to take advantage of while they're out of school. 11 News reporter Kim Dacey has a look at why staying close to home has its perks.
The slightly odd and downright bizarre are the norm at the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum at the Inner Harbor. And it's just one of many Baltimore attractions the Downtown Partnership wants you and your family to take advantage of this spring break.
We can't all go on vacation, especially since the snow days kind of threw off spring break this year. So we need to get out of the house. The kids get a little crazy. The weather hasn't quite turned yet. It's a little too cold to maybe be on the playground every day. So you can take them to an indoor playground in downtown Baltimore.
So the Downtown Partnership partnered with the website Cool Progeny to promote the special deals some attractions are offering over the next 2 weeks. Many are buy one child's ticket, get the second half off, and some of the destinations have special exhibits or events going on too.
And the Walters is having drop-in art. You can create art with them anytime. The Baltimore Museum of Industry is doing cool things. We've got the National Aquarium is encouraging people to come in and take advantage of their behind-the-scenes tour and get a sneak peek at their new Living Seashore exhibit. So there's lots of opportunities for families.
To take advantage of these great deals, you need to visit the Downtown Partnership or Cool Progeny website. If you stay and play this spring break, it's good for the local economy, and it's a great excuse to check out some educational attractions right here at home.
Mommy gets her sanity, Daddy gets their sanity, and the kids get to have fun. And everybody kind of gets to appreciate some things in downtown Baltimore that they're maybe not taking advantage of.
Each attraction has a slightly different deal, so you need to check the website. Here at Ripley's, you buy one adult ticket and get a child's ticket free. For more information, you can find the link on our website, WBALTV.com. At the Inner Harbor, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.